Deep beneath the ancient granite of the Myohyang Mountains lies a colossal $37 billion engineering project. This massive subterranean network is constructed specifically to withstand the extreme impacts of a global military conflict. The primary objective of this hidden infrastructure is to continuously distribute 150,000 oil barrels daily. Unlike ordinary pipelines buried just meters deep, this heavy-duty energy grid is carved 1,200 meters into solid rock. The immense geological pressure of the surrounding tectonic formations constantly exerts crushing forces onto the steel structure. A single micro-calculation error in material stress analysis would instantly cause the tectonic plates to crush the line. Subterranean engineers must combat these crushing forces by reinforcing every single meter of the main distribution tunnel. The central engineering challenge is joining massive steel segments into one continuous, unbreakable high-pressure network. This system must remain entirely unaffected by the most powerful ground-penetrating bunker busters and seismic shock waves. The absolute solution to this structural vulnerability lies in an extreme high-precision automated manufacturing process. Deep inside the narrow caverns, traditional manual arc welding is entirely impossible due to hazardous toxic fumes. Engineers deployed specialized self-guided, track-mounted robotic welding units directly onto the high-pressure pipeline segments. These automated welding robots travel continuously along the circumference of the 50-millimeter thick steel pipe walls. The machines emit a highly concentrated, ultra-dense plasma arc reaching a temperature of 20,000 degrees Celsius. This extreme thermal output instantly melts the adjacent edges of the heavy chrome moly steel alloy segments. The high-density plasma welding process fuses the atomic structure of the metal joints without requiring external filler rods. Once cooled, the fused joint achieves a tensile strength rating significantly higher than the original steel pipe body. However, raw chrome moly steel alone cannot withstand the continuous chemical erosion of high-velocity, unrefined crude oil. To counter this long-term wear, each pipeline section is engineered with a complex three-layer composite protection shield. The innermost layer consists of a highly corrosion-resistant specialized alloy to prevent internal wear. The secondary layer is a highly elastic polymer membrane designed to absorb and dampen structural vibrations. The third and outermost layer is wrapped completely in ultra-dense woven carbon fiber composite material. This comprehensive tri-shield casing protects the metal from ground friction as geological shifts occur. Without these critical defensive coatings, the continuous high-pressure flow would quickly erode the pipeline elbows. The complex installation of these massive three-layer sections becomes an extreme logistical nightmare on steep slopes. Deep within the Myohyang complex, engineers face shear shafts angled at exactly 45 degrees. Moving an 18-ton steel pipe segment down a dark, steep subterranean shaft is highly hazardous. Gravitational pull constantly threatens to accelerate the heavy metallic payload into an uncontrollable downward slide. A single failure in the braking mechanics would result in a catastrophic, destructive impact event. To prevent runaway acceleration, the military engineers utilize a highly advanced multi-point hydraulic winching network. These heavy winches are bolted directly into the solid granite bedrock using heavy expansion anchors. The computerized winch controllers release high-tensile steel cables at a steady speed of millimeters per second. This precise tensioning system slowly lowers the pipe along a specialized, heavy-duty temporary guide rail. As the descending pipe segment nears the designated joint position, the critical alignment phase begins. The raw edges of the two separate pipe segments must match with absolute physical precision. To guide this immense weight, engineers watch real-time data streaming from highly sensitive optical sensors. These specialized digital modules scan the perimeter of the seam, looking for microscopic physical gaps. Even a tiny micromillimetric tilt can cause severe structural imbalance once the pipeline is pressurized. Therefore, the team coordinates with absolute care, making subtle adjustments using precision hydraulic jacks. They gently nudge the 18-ton steel cylinders, slowly aligning them with incredible engineering precision. Once the laser sensors verify perfect alignment, the automated clamping rings lock onto the joint. These heavy metal rings squeeze the seam tightly, holding both segments completely motionless for welding. With the joint locked, the automated plasma head begins its steady, brilliant, circular journey. The intense heat slowly fuses the steel, creating a clean, uniform weld around the circumference. As the brilliant light fades, a solid, silver-gray ring of bonded metal is left behind. The newly fused joint is immediately cooled by a controlled stream of compressed inert gas. This steady thermal treatment prevents the hot alloy from cracking due to sudden temperature drops. As soon as the weld cools, technicians prepare the specialized scanner for non-destructive inspection. This highly advanced testing phase ensures that no internal defects are hidden within the seam.
We are standing hundreds of feet underground where this massive tunneling project is underway, utilizing some of the largest machines in the world.
With the physical structure fully joined, the focus shifts to testing the integrity of the metals. At these extreme depths, even a tiny structural defect in the pipe wall can lead to failure. The massive system will soon experience intense pressure, reaching 12 megapascals of constant driving force. This massive force is necessary to push the heavy crude oil upward against the pull of gravity. To find any hidden flaws, technicians must perform a specialized high-pressure helium leak test. Helium is an incredibly light gas, capable of escaping through microscopic openings in the weld. The tiny helium molecules can pass through gaps that water or normal air cannot find. First, the technicians secure a highly specialized airtight testing collar around the outer weld. Next, they use heavy-duty vacuum pumps to remove all air from this small outer chamber. Once a perfect vacuum is established, high-pressure helium gas is slowly pumped inside the pipe. A highly sensitive mass spectrometer sensor continuously monitors the outer vacuum chamber for leaks. If even a few tiny helium atoms are detected, the joint is immediately marked for repair. Technicians must then use a high-precision plasma cutting tool to remove the faulty metal. This strict process ensures that every single connection point achieves absolute structural perfection. Once a weld passes this harsh test, workers wrap the area in protective composite layers. These protective coatings seal the steel joint completely, shielding it from moisture and underground humidity. With the structural seals finished, the pipeline is ready to face the next engineering challenge. As high-velocity crude oil flows through the system, the steel inevitably reacts to changes in temperature. This constant change in temperature causes the massive metal structures to expand and contract. Without a way to handle this physical expansion, the immense stress would soon bend the pipe. To solve this problem, engineers integrated specialized heavy-duty hydraulic expansion joints at regular intervals. These complex joints allow the steel lines to move safely, shifting up to 15 centimeters. This clever mechanical design relieves structural tension without ever disrupting the high-pressure fuel flow. Technicians monitor these flexible joints closely, checking them with precise digital alignment sensors. They ensure the expansion mechanism slides smoothly, sliding without any dangerous friction or resistance. Each movement of the pipeline is tracked by a central control room hidden deep nearby. Computers continuously analyze live data, watching for any unexpected structural movements in the rock. This steady monitoring keeps the system balanced, even under the most demanding physical conditions. Slowly, the long sections of the pipeline are linked together into a single continuous network.
Standing hundreds of feet below ground, the scale of this project is truly breathtaking. The heavy machinery behind me is working 24 hours a day.
With the expansion joints secured, the crew prepares the massive pipeline for its initial flow trials. Slowly, the heavy hydraulic supply valves are turned, initiating the journey of the test fluid. The highly pressurized liquid begins to fill the empty steel lines, testing every welded joint. A low, distant hum echoes through the long granite tunnels as the pressure steadily increases. Technicians walk alongside the line, carrying highly sensitive acoustic sensors to listen for leaks. These specialized listening devices can detect the high-frequency hiss of pressurized fluid escaping. Every single foot of the line is checked, ensuring no microscopic pathways exist in the steel. The test pressure is held at its maximum limit for 48 consecutive hours. This long-term holding test forces any weak spots to reveal themselves before oil is introduced. The heavy-duty steel walls hold completely firm, showing no signs of deformation or stress. Once the wet trial is successful, the test fluid is completely drained from the system. Industrial drying units pump warm, dehydrated air through the line to remove all moisture. This crucial drying phase prevents internal oxidation, protecting the raw alloy from corrosion. As the drying cycle ends, workers reseal the access hatches with heavy steel bolts. The pipeline is now completely ready to receive the high-velocity flow of raw crude oil. Slowly, the primary injection pumps deep within the coastal terminal are brought online. A powerful rhythmic pulse begins to vibrate through the heavy steel walls of the line. The first wave of unrefined crude oil enters the system, starting its long journey. This heavy fluid travels quietly through the dark granite corridors, entirely hidden from the world. The highly automated control systems adjust the flow rate to maintain a steady pressure. Sensors along the entire route monitor the viscosity and temperature of the moving oil. These constant measurements prevent the fluid from thickening during its long subterranean journey. If the temperature drops too low, specialized heating elements wrapped around the pipe activate. These compact electric heaters warm the alloy gently, maintaining a smooth, consistent flow. The massive system operates in complete harmony, balanced perfectly against the cold stone. Outside, the rugged peaks of the Myohyang mountains remain completely still and silent. No one on the surface would ever suspect the massive energy flow happening deep below. This silent operation is the ultimate goal of the entire subterranean engineering layout. A secure, endless supply of vital energy, protected perfectly from any external interference.
We are standing hundreds of feet beneath the surface in what will soon be the largest underground facility of its kind.
The heavy crude oil now flows steadily through the completed network, fully operational. This massive engineering accomplishment ensures vital energy security deep within the mountain. Every single automated subsystem is performing flawlessly under the constant tectonic pressure. The robust multi-layer design completely shields the flowing fuel from any surface impact. Deep underground, the silence is only broken by the quiet, steady hum of the pumps. This quiet, hidden flow is a profound testament to the power of human engineering. For those who appreciate the immense scale of heavy mechanical manufacturing, this is a masterpiece. To explore more of these incredible engineering secrets, subscribe to TechGen Manufacturing. Join us as we continue to go deep inside the world's most challenging construction sites. Until next time, keep looking deeper into the quiet power that drives our modern world.